So here's the view from the top of the terrace. There's the Pantheon, Montparnasse right there, the Notre Dame. You can see Défense way out there. You can see Hôtel de Ville right here, and the Pompidou Center right behind it. And then you can perceive the Sacré-Cœur just back there. And then that's Saint-Gervais right there. And you really have panoramic views over Paris. And this is from the top of the ladder. This is the terrace. So the terrace here, that was the previous view was from the top of the ladder here. The terrace is devoid of shrubbery currently, but it'll be full of plants and flowers come this spring as we plant some more. So this is a great place to come get lunch during the summer, or just when it's nice out. Got a nice little table here, and great views, and you're really secluded, not much noise. And so from the terrace, you walk in to the room, the main top floor room, which has windows everywhere. This is a small bathroom upstairs. It's just a small restroom, the sink, so you don't have to go up and down the stairs each time to get to it. And so here is the top floor bedroom. It has lots of natural light and great views. There's the Pantheon right there. And some more views of the rest of Paris. All the way back there is the Bibliothèque Nationale de France. It's not the best looking building, but it's still a monument in Paris. And so you get plenty of natural light. Here's the desk. It's great comfortable chair, good working space, a nice mirror. Then here's a little set of drawers for storing clothes upstairs, should you ever want to keep clothes up here. Then moving downstairs, we have these stairs here. They're a little bit steep, but this brings you into the main living area. So here's the elevator that opens directly into the apartment. These are some stairs, place to hang your jackets. So here is the main living area. There's a dining room table that folds down, and so you can get that space back. Lots of cabinet space where you can store all sorts of clothes and stuff. You can keep your shoes in here, shoes and jackets. A little table to store your keys and coins. The rest of the living room. And a nice mirror, some Danish modern furniture, some plants, a record player back there with some records, some nice speakers, some more greenery, and then a open bar that leads into the kitchen. In the kitchen you have a dishwasher, gas stove, sink, microwave oven, some storage for plates and glasses, dry goods storage. And walking around, you can see you get plenty of natural light as you're on the top floor. Then looking out the window, we got some more plants, and you can see the street here, and just right there is the Notre Dame. It's a 5-minute walk, and you can see right there, that's the Seine, and it's a basically almost entirely pedestrian street, so you don't get any car noise, and it's very calm, but you still get some nice views from the living room and plenty of light. Now I'm moving back to the rest of the apartment. Here is the bathroom. Got a toilet, some place to keep your towels, a stand-up shower. It's very nice. Big nice mirror so you can see yourself. A sink, washer, dryer, and the guest room. And here you have a really nice comfortable bed, a nice little bookshelf, a mirror, a TV, and again plenty of natural light. And it just looks over the little courtyard down there. So yeah, you can see it. There's a great living space here, and it's great entertaining friends here. Listen to music, you can read the book. You can even bring what I do sometimes is bring the TV here and watch TV there. So when you're having guests over, they want to watch TV. And yeah, and you can make cocktails here. And it's just a great living space. It's very happy, it gets lots of light, and it's great for entertaining guests.